how to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Bybit account. After that, click on this option of buy crypto, then go to the section of P2P trading. And this is where it will take you. After that, make sure that you select the option of sell over here. Now select the currency of your country where you want to withdraw your funds from your Bybit account. After that, just filter around all the other stuff like the payment methods and all sort of things. After that, just select any of the person over here, and I am currently ineligible because this account is new and they need my KYC verification. Only after that I will be able to do that. So make sure that you do your KYC verification, and while doing this particular trade you need to look out for some things like never go with someone who has lower completion rate. Make sure that you go with someone who has at least more than 90% completion rate. So this will reduce all the chances of getting scammed, and also check the amount which is available with that particular person. So you can do all the trades without any problem. Also, you can check the payment method. Suppose you want it to be transferred in your bank account, then make sure that the person has that particular payment method. So this person has this particular payment method. Now just click on this option of sell. You would be able to see sell. Since I'm not eligible, that's why it is showing as ineligible. Just simply sell your USDT for the currency of your country, and that's how you will be able to withdraw the money from your Bybit account to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.